All right, guys, we got some parts. Let's see what we got here. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll continue working on our 2017 Nissan GTR. We finally got some parts in, not all of them because some of the parts are on back order, but let's open them up and see what we got. Check these out. Alright guys, this is what we got open so far. We got the headlights. I found them used. These suckers are expensive, but I guess it's an alright deal. We have some ducts here. Intercooler duct right there. Let's keep on opening the rest. Alright guys, this is the parts so far. Got a little issue. The dashboard airbag was supposed to come with a cover that pops out of the dashboard that ripped on our GTR. And this one is just the airbag for some reason. Gonna have to look into that, call the dealer and see if I can still get that cover that goes on top to cover it. The steering wheel one is sick though. That's nice. We got some hinges, some plastics, grill, headlights. Still waiting on the hood and the bumper. That was a special order. Should be here maybe in a few days. Then we can get it to a frame shop and get all the parts aligned. We also got our seat belts in. They got fixed thanks to L&D Solutions for hooking it up. We have an option of actually changing the belt to a different color. We can either do the flat red or maybe do this red stitching on the side. It will match the seats because our seats are black and red. So we'll see, maybe we'll get that done. But now let's throw these seat belts back in the car, change the driver's side airbag, and actually take apart the passenger side airbag and see what's going on there. Possibly get it replaced, then see if we can just get the cover on top so we don't have to change the whole dashboard. Now let's clean this all up, pull the car in, and start working. Alright, we got it inside. Now let's put on the seat belts and start working on the airbags. Alright guys, we finally got our CA Buildz in. The passenger side was pretty easy and straightforward, but the driver's side over here, I accidentally stripped a bolt that goes on the inside, so I had to take it all apart and put a new bolt in there. But now they work all good and they're both in. As far as the airbags go, I did do some research about the passenger side dashboard airbag. We did buy the airbag, it's right there, but we didn't buy this cover. I didn't know, but the cover sells separately. So I did speak to the dealer and we'll have to get one ordered in. They don't have it in stock. So we'll get that ordered in today, and basically when it comes in, we'll do both the driver's side and the dashboard airbag together. All right guys, we finally got the cover in. So basically I guess the airbag sits in there and this kind of just pops on top. Little plastic, over 500 bucks. Not bad, I guess. So now we'll take probably the driver's side apart first, put the new airbag in, and then try to figure that one out. We'll probably have to take the glove box off and all of that. Take it all apart, put the new airbag in, put the cover in, and start working. Okay, we got the driver's side airbag in and it looks really good. I really like these new steering wheels they put on the 2017 models. It's a lot different than on the older ones. But that one's in, turned out awesome. Now let's hop on the passenger side, take it all apart and see if we could get that one replaced. Alright guys, check this out. Both of the airbags are in and it looks amazing. Driver's side right there. Passenger side, we got the airbag in, we got the new cover on top. Passenger side was a little harder as expected. The glove box took a little longer to take off, put back on, but it wasn't too bad. I'm really happy how it turned out. It looks really nice. The interior is basically 100% done. We got the seat belts in, might change the color later, and all of the airbags are in, and it looks really, really good. Alright guys, that'll be a wrap for today's video. The interior is basically 100% done and it turned out amazing. As far as the exterior goes, I just spoke to a Nissan dealership and for whatever reason they lost the hood during transit. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do now. I'll try to call around, maybe get one ordered somewhere else, maybe get expedited shipping to get it here as soon as possible because we're just kind of stuck now. We can't really do anything without the hood, so I don't even know what we're gonna do. I was gonna go with the carbon fiber hood, but it's 8 to 10 weeks on back order, and I'm not waiting that long. So we'll just see what happens. We'll try to get one here as soon as possible. But as always, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on anything. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.